What kind of CAD solution best fits today's demanding design engineer? Well, that depends on the design challenges in question. That's why Solidworks offers 3 levels of design software. Find your best fit. Although it's our entry-level 3D CAD solution, Solidworks Standard is anything but standard. It's a powerful 3D design application that enables you and your team to quickly transform new ideas into great products. The power of Solidworks Standard begins with ease of use. The interface is highly intuitive with a minimum of menus and clicks, so you can be quickly productive with the many advanced capabilities that are built into the product. And there are many powerful capabilities. For example, you can easily create parametric parts by leveraging the best-in-class sketcher with powerful geometry creation and modification tools. Components can be easily assembled with the widest range of mate types in the industry, or automatically snapped together with smart mates. Millions of components are ready to be assembled into your designs directly from 3D Content Central. This online repository of user and supplier-generated parts gives you access to a wealth of content that can be configured to your specifications and directly inserted into your assemblies. For assembly modeling, Solidworks Standard includes the fastest interference detection in the industry with the ability to easily visualize clashes in the assembly. But it doesn't stop there. Real-time collision detection lets you determine if parts collide while they are moved through their range of motion. Many product designs need to include variations or different configurations. Solidworks Design Tables is an Excel-based tool that lets you leverage the parameters of your design to easily create design variations for parts or assemblies. It even automates the upload to 3D Content Central for sharing. Documentation of your designs is essential, and Solidworks Standard makes this easy too. To automatically create drawing views, simply drag and drop the 3D model into a drawing, like this. The software supports all view types, such as projected, isometric, auxiliary, detailed, section, broken, or partial section views with automatic generation and placement of dimensions and tolerances. Assembly drawings are done in the same fashion, with the additional capability for exploded views and alternate position views to depict assembly motion. Bills of materials are generated automatically, complete with balloon callouts that are updated as the model changes. Solidworks Standard features a broad set of built-in translators, vendor-specific as well as industry-standard neutral formats such as IGES and STEP, so you can exchange 2D and 3D CAD data created in a wide variety of software applications. Diagnostic tools are included that can analyze and automatically repair faulty faces and gaps that may occur during translation. And if any other quick modifications are needed, Solidworks Standard includes tools for direct editing of imported models, such as moving, deleting, or replacing discrete geometry. For sheet metal part design, Solidworks Standard provides a robust set of dedicated tools to create flanges, hems, tabs, jogs, and sheet metal transitions. Features can be added in the formed or flattened state, with support for form features such as louvers, lances, flanges, and ribs. Automatic flattening with bend length compensation is available, as well as full drawing support and export of flat patterns for fabrication. For weldment design, specialized tools are included to automate the creation of plates, gussets, end caps, and structural members from the broad library of predefined structural shapes. Structural members are automatically mitered or trimmed to each other as required, and there is full drawing support complete with automatically generated cut lists. A complete set of advanced surfacing tools lets you create and edit solid or surface geometry, including curved continuous or C2 surfaces. Freeform manipulation of surfaces lets you stylize the shape to achieve elegant consumer products with smoothly flowing lines and distinctive features. Dedicated mold design tools are included, such as draft and undercut analysis, as well as features for creating uniform and non-uniform scaling, parting surfaces, shutoff surfaces, side cores, and tooling splits for creating core and cavity features. Full drawing support is available as well to document the mold for manufacturing. Of course, it's important to ensure that your designs function as required, and SolidWorks provides several tools for this purpose. Simulation Express lets you apply fixtures and loads to parts to determine how they will perform in service. Calculation of stress, deflection, and basic geometry optimization allow you to achieve optimal designs. Flow Express is a fluid dynamics tool that calculates how fluid flows through a part or assembly. Simply select the fluid flowing through the model, the flow conditions for the inlet and outlet, and based on the calculated velocity field, you can determine problem areas in your design and improve them before you manufacture any parts. Sustainability Express evaluates the environmental impact of a part throughout the life cycle of a product. Choose the material, where it is manufactured, where it will be used, and shipping methods, and then compare results from different designs to ensure a sustainable solution for the product and the environment. SolidWorks Standard includes several tools to help you collaborate and communicate throughout the product development process. Product videos have never been easier to produce. SolidWorks Standard literally brings your designs to life, while still at the design stage. Simply view your designs from various angles, move components, or add motors, springs, contact, and gravity to drive the motion of one or more parts of an assembly. Then save the animation as a video to share with others. SolidWorks Standard also comes with eDrawings Viewer, so you can publish your part, assembly, or drawing as an eDrawing that can be viewed by anyone with a PC or Mac, even non-CAD users. You can use eDrawings to view, print, and review files, as well as native SolidWorks parts, assemblies, drawings, and native DWG and DXF files. With Large Design Review, you can quickly open massive assemblies, view, pan, and rotate, reuse predefined snapshots, and leverage walkthroughs of the design. Large Design Review lets you measure, section, and create snapshot views with comments to clearly communicate your design to your team. If you want a 3D CAD solution that's easy to use, powerful, with built-in collaboration, SolidWorks Standard is the perfect fit to increase your productivity and empower innovative design.